Hi, this is Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at another forum post where a person was trying to lock events on the track, but when selected along with unlocked events, the unlocked events would not move because locked events were also selected. So in this tutorial, we're going to look at how to go ahead and deselect the events that are actually locked so that all of the unlocked events that are selected can then be moved. So let's take a look and see what we're talking about here. Here we have a project that has many events on it. So let's just kind of randomly grab a few here. And then we will right click and go to switches and choose locked. So now those three events are selected and locked. So if we just select a couple of events here and then we try to move the unlocked one, it will not move, whereas if we just select only the unlocked one, it will move. So if we, for example, selected all of these on the top two tracks and we wanted to move everything, we'll notice that nothing will move when we try to move it. So we need to actually deselect the two locked ones. So let's look at the code to do that. This code is very similar to the last couple of tutorials we've done. We first get our myVegas variable set to Vegas. Then we're going to do a for each and go through the list of tracks. So my track in vegas.project.tracks. Then we're going to look at each track event on that track. So for each event in mytrack.events. Now we're going to look and see if the event is selected and, that's what the two and symbols there mean, and the event is locked. So if selected and locked, then we're going to change selected equal to false. So let's see how that works. So we'll go back and we have everything on the top two tracks selected. So now let's run the script. And we will notice that these two events are no longer selected and we can move the rest of the events that were not locked. So once again, using scripting is an easy way to resolve an issue that this person was having, and it will allow us to go through and just deselect any events that were locked. That way we can move all of the events that were not locked. So scripting can come in handy in a variety of cases, and it's always nice to look to see if scripting can resolve any issue you're having. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.